Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue. While logging onto the Rockstar Games launcher, you got an error. We are unable to handle your request at this time with code 1.000.7 and then unable to authenticate with Rockstar Game Services. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the basic step, if you are using Chrome, make sure you completely close all the tabs open in your Chrome. For example, if I'll go ahead and open these 3 or 4 5 tabs, you need to close each and every tab available in the Chrome. After closing the tab, you need to click on this extension icon and then click on the option manage extension. From here, whatever the extension you have installed, you need to either remove them or disable each and every extension by toggle off this particular option this way. And thirdly is, while logging onto the Rockstar Games launcher, whenever you type in your email ID, you need to type the first letter as capital of your email. For example, if my email ID is abc@gmail.com, so I need to write abc@gmail.com. So make sure you must make the first letter as capital, then enter your password and hit the sign in option. Hopefully, this will fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, open up your settings menu. From the left pane, click on the option time and language. Now click on the option language and region. From here, you need to change your current region to do a hit and trial method. So from the drop down list, choose either UK or USA. After changing the country or region, click on date and time, and right over here, make sure you sync the time to the current time zone that you have selected. That means either UK or USA, whatever the option you have chosen, write in your language and region. If this also failed, again come back to region and language and select your regional country and then select your regional time zone and sync it. After doing so, click on the option network and internet, and whatever the Wi-Fi or the Ethernet you are using, you need to unplug it. Unplug the Ethernet cable. If you are using Wi-Fi, disconnect it and you need to turn on the mobile hotspot of your mobile phone. Then connect your system by the mobile hotspot and then try to log in onto the Rockstar Games launcher, and hopefully this will fix out the issue. And if all methods fail to work out, the only hope you can do is to open up your web browser and type in Geek Uninstaller. Hit the enter key. Down, click on the first link to open the official website of a Geek Installer. Click on the option download and download its zip version, which is totally free to use. Once it is downloaded, open and extract the file inside the zip folder. You need to right click on this and choose the option run as administrator. Now from here, you need to find your game, Rockstar Games, as well as the GTA 5. Once you find the game as well as Rockstar Games launcher one by one, you need to right click and choose the option uninstall. This will completely uninstall the Rockstar Games as well as GTA 5 from your system. After doing a clean uninstallation, you need to restart your PC, and once your system restarts, reinstall your launcher, and hopefully this will completely fix out the issue of unable to handle your request at this time with code 10007. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.